Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about dependent clause. Let's get started. A dependent or a subordinate clause gives additional information to the main sentence. Thus, it cannot stand alone as a separate sentence. Have a look at the example over here. When she comes back home after a long day at work, she likes to take a bath. Now, the dependent or the subordinate clause in the sentence is when she comes back home after a long day at work, and note that it is used to give us additional information about the main sentence. She likes to take a bath. Now, dependent clauses can be divided into the following categories. A noun clause. A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. Thus, it can be a subject, an object, or an object of a preposition in a sentence. Have a look at the example over here. Whoever comes first wins. Now, the noun clause in this sentence is whoever comes first, and note that it acts as the subject of the sentence. And in this sentence, we don't know who left the note at the door. The noun clause who left the note at the door acts as the object of the sentence. B. An adjective clause. An adjective clause is a dependent clause that modifies nouns or pronouns, providing additional information. Have a look at the examples below. A woman who can cook well will become my wife. The adjective clause in the sentence, who can cook well, modifies or gives us additional information about the noun woman. Broccoli, which not everyone likes, are part of my daily ratio. The adjective clause, which not everyone likes, is used to modify or give us additional information about the noun broccoli. C. An adverb clause. An adverb clause is a dependent clause that modifies an adjective, an adverb, or a verb or verb phrase. Have a look at the examples below. We were swimming in the ocean when we saw the lightning, modifying the verb swimming. Let's eat dinner before the food gets cold, modifying the verb phrase. Here is a short story using dependent or subordinate clauses. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Seth Rogen, whose humor I absolutely adore, is filming a new movie. Oh, really? What's the title? Clear Sky, if I'm not mistaken. If everything goes well, it should be out in 2019. It's cool that we never argue about what movies to watch together. Yeah, we have the same taste when it comes to art.